Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks a lot for viewing and chiming in. Appreciate the new subscriber. I saw one out there. I really do appreciate that. Today we're going to make a drink called the Gun Club Punch from Trader Vic, 1972. So let's get started. Calls for 1.5 Plantation 3-star. 3-star because it comes from Jamaica, Barbados, and Trinidad. It's a blend. 82.4. So 1.5. It's got a lot of flavor to it. And 1.5 Myers dark. And 1/4 Clement Creole Shrubb, 1/4. And 1.5 pineapple juice. I use Dole 100% can. Squeezing pineapple juice is quite a task, and not very nice if you can do it. Fresh pineapple, 1.5, and 1 lime juice, fresh lime, Persian lime as opposed to key lime. 1 lime, and 1/4 grenadine. This is not Trader Vic's. This is handcrafted. 1/4. And I'm going to whip this one. I don't want to dilute this anymore. It's at 22% the way it is. Whip that up. Basically, whipping aerates it and cools it without diluting it. Okay, and now we're going to strain that off. I've got a mug here ready, Trader Vic's mug, with some ice in it already. Right. And then we're going to put a pineapple spear in there. And a mint. And a straw. And this is the Gun Club Punch. Hope you all like it. This is the number 1. He's got a number 1, number 2. Number 2 uses the 151 rum in it. So this is the number 1. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.